Mastering the GRE, the magic of adaptive testing. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most intriguing aspects of the GRE, Graduate Record Examination, adaptive testing in the quantitative reasoning section. It's essential to grasp this concept to strategize your approach effectively. So, sit back and let's unfold the mystery behind this testing approach. Adaptive testing, in simple terms, is a system that adjusts the difficulty of questions based on your performance. If you answer a question correctly, the next one might be a bit harder. Conversely, if you get it wrong, the next might be slightly easier. It's like the test is adapting to your skills, trying to find out your exact proficiency level. The primary goal of the GRE's adaptive system is to pinpoint your ability more accurately than a traditional test. By adjusting to your performance in real time, it can gauge not just what you know, but also how you handle varying levels of difficulty. This provides a more holistic view of a test taker's abilities. In the GRE, the quantitative reasoning portion consists of two sections. The performance in the first section will determine the difficulty level of the second section. If you do exceptionally well in the first section, the second section will be of a higher difficulty, while a mediocre performance will lead to a medium difficulty second section. 1. Stay calm. It's normal to find questions you don't know. Remember, the test is trying to find your limit. 2. Manage your time. Don't spend too much time on one question. If it's too hard, it might be above your current skill level, and that's okay. 3. Consistent practice. Familiarize yourself with a variety of question types and difficulty levels. The more you practice, the better you can tackle diverse questions. And there you have it. The essence of adaptive testing and the GRE quantitative reasoning. As you gear up for your GRE, remember this. It's not just about getting the answers right, but understanding the structure and approach of the test. We hope this video illuminated the path for your GRE prep. Happy studying, and until next time, keep learning.